Guys, in this video we will see possible solution of error too many commands error code 56 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error message, error too many commands, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator. Command prompt Windows will now open. Here execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose device manager. Device manager window will now open. Here under available device driver list, go to display adapter section, right click on your display adapter driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. This process will be applied for all your any faulty driver held with your system. Look for any yellow color exclamation mark and update driver. Thereafter, on the same display adapter driver, right click on it and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to drivers and here click on rollback driver. In my case, this is grayed out because no any driver previously installed. If the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previously installed driver. So if in your case, if it is enabled, then roll back driver and follow on screen instruction to complete the rolling back your driver process. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose run. Run dialog box will open. Here in the search field, type RSTRUY. This command will open system restore window in your system. Click on OK and it will open restore system files and settings. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. So recommended restore you will find, but if you want to choose a different restore point, make the check against option, choose a different restore point and click on next. A list of all available restore point you will find on next page. Choose any one of them, simply select it and click on next. And finally, confirm your restoration point on the next page. Your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event in the description field below. So finally, confirm your restoration point, choose finish. And after that, don't forget to restart your system. That's